all about goals. Goal. To see if we can turn this kid's aluminum chair into a single wheel trailer for that guy right there. Yeah, let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so far all I've done is remove the back portion of the seat. So the back where you sit with your back against, and the back support. And I think I've measured my wheel. I used all of the ones I had, so I'm gonna have to go buy one. Don't have it with me, but it's the height of this block. So I'm using that as my base, and I'm telling you, it doesn't get much better than that. I'd say it's about perfect. So all I need to do now is come up with a sidewall to come up, hook up a way to attach that to the little plastic bumper, put a floor in it, and we're well on our way. Alright, so now what I'm down to, and I would be running the GoPro camera right now. We're shooting with an iPhone because the GoPro battery is dead, so I'm charging it currently, so I apologize for that. So we have a much closer up view than I would prefer, and I can't run the thing the whole time because I don't have a clamp for it. But, so we're doing a play-by-play. This is just the arms of the chair as they were. I haven't done anything to them. And I'm going to go stick this part of it, try to get it at a true 45 in the pipe bender so that we can kind of put those on top so that we have a way to parallel and build our sidewalls. And I think I will probably just cut the remaining two pieces down in half. So I'll have 4 of them, and we'll just go kind of like this. See that very well, but kind of like that to build our sides. And I was going to use that blue piece there for the floor, but I think it's wood. It's going to be heavier. I would like to use coroplast or the stuff that they make like campaign signs out of. So I have some of that that's clear. We'll just paint it blue. So I'm going to go stick that in the pipe bender and see if I can't get that at a true 45 to match what I'm going to use as the base, and see what happens with that. And then I may have to run a piece of wood on the bottom to attach the wheel just for strength. But in fact, I'm sure I will. Maybe take the narrower piece, so it's more lightweight, and put that on there for our bottom. Pipe bender next. Well, I drug the pipe bender out and got it out and decided, I'll just do a little heat. They already have the casing bent in, and so if I just apply a little heat, it's already close to 45. I just applied a little heat, and it was just like butter. And I just eyeballed a 45, and I'm pretty close. So let's go over, and because it's aluminum, it just heats up really quickly. Try and set the camera up so you can watch that one. Because it's aluminum, it's just like butter when it goes to bend. A little bit too much. That looks pretty good. Let's go see where that puts us. Come in just a little bit. Heat that up and come in just a hair more. Alright, so I've just gone through on those two little short pieces, and I've cut them into 4 shorter pieces, and then notched out very crudely. I'll go over this with some sandpaper later. Just notched it out so to give it some stability, because I only have enough length of those to put 1 rivet in, so I notched it out, and that'll keep it from when it's all together from pivoting, kind of seesawing. It won't allow it to pivot. And I think once I get that other rivet in and get the topper on, it'll actually be pretty strong. We go through and finish out popping those in, so there'll be one on all 4 corners, and we'll put the top part back on, and it'll start to maybe kind of look like a trailer. Not done yet, but I'm pretty sure he's going to be the coolest guy around. The hitch system, I think I just need to make a loop that comes up through this little plastic bumper. Obviously he's not going to be able to put, can't ride a kid in the back. It's not going to be strong enough, but I just went, that got a wedge up in there. Hang on just a second. Yeah, I think that'll be just fine. Thought about cutting these little end pieces here and here off. I left them. I'm not sure. I may cut those off. I'm not sure I like those. Trying to decide if I want to make the panel, kind of swoop down and catch that, or if I just want to truncate it right here and make it go straight. Yeah, I guess the only way we can figure that out is to get some sides on it and kind of see what it's going to look like. There it is for now. Just covered with vinyl. I don't know if I like that or not. I did end up cutting those down. I didn't like the way it turned down, so went ahead and cut that off. I am planning on putting Allstate on the back of it too. So minus the wheel, that is pretty much done. And again, I don't know if I like the vinyl, and I need to make a piece that goes from here to here. Just a little wooden piece that attaches there. I don't know. I had to put, that run is just long enough that I had to put 5 screws over there. I don't like that. I like the back better because it has fewer. But I was able to keep it tighter. I have enough left of that vinyl I could make a new piece if I needed to. Yeah. Look at it for a bit and see what I think about that. Just working on that wheel to the single wheel trailer that I was making. And originally I got this at Harbor Freight because the bracket was relatively small and not too terribly heavy. And it's a 3-inch wheel. This is what was originally on it. And it's pretty heavy. It's just plastic, but it's still pretty heavy, and it's a 3-inch. I wanted a bigger wheel on it, so I just took the rivet that was through it, ground it off, and now we're adding the famous trick, adding a wrench onto the back side. We have a visitor. Hi, Maggie. And we're just going to tack weld that on, and I think that will give the added little bit of length that we need. I'm going to throw this wheel on there. I can't get it in there because the wrench is blocking me, but I think that'll look pretty good. And this is super lightweight. It's like an aluminum center and a rubber tire, but I think this will be better, and we've gained a little bit of diameter, about a 1/2 inch all the way around. So I think that'll be a lot better than the blue. Blue is it's just so heavy. Anyway, so I'm gonna go weld the wrenches on both sides of that, and I did decide to go with the coroplast on the trailer, so I have that all mounted up there. I think that looks a lot better. Again, it is not perfect, far from it. All the dog hair on there, static cling. So we'll spray paint that up. It actually, I think, will kind of look like wood once it's kind of painted up. And then I got some letters to put Allstate on the back. So I'm happier with that than the vinyl that was on there. I think it'll just be better. It's actually lighter with that on instead of the vinyl. And back here, I'm a little unlevel, so I'm gonna have to put some hot glue or something to suck that one down. We'll worry about that after we kind of figure out when we're gonna paint and that kind of thing. So that's where we're at with this little guy. Looking pretty good. Well, there it is, all bolted up and ready to go. I just did carriage bolts on the inside floor and then ran them through. Oops, sorry. Ran them through. And it works as it should. Functions just like a single wheel. You're all good to go. If I can get it. So when you're backing up, it goes like that. And when you pull forward, the wheel just swivels back up. So let's go throw it on there if it's not raining too badly. Pretty cool. Just needs paint and some logos and we're all set. The little legs kind of look like chicken feet. I think I filmed a couple of those videos. I know, right? Miserable day. It's been raining like this for quite a while. Set up the tent. It's just pouring in. But I think I filmed a couple of those earlier videos today with the camera the wrong direction. But that looks pretty good on there. Just need some paint. Thought I'd throw it on the scale just to see. Barely registers over a pound. Which is pretty amazing. The whole frame. Wheel is the heaviest part on it. It's probably 1/2 pound. So all in all, we are coming in at under 2 pounds. Pretty cool.
I'm just making the tail light a little dirty.
Making my tail light dirty?
Because it's all rusty. See? Do you like it dirty? Do you like it dirty up here? Or here?
I don't really like the bus dirty.
I'm just putting dirt right here. That's dirt.
Now back up. Keep going. Now pull forward a little bit. Okay.